Ooh, yeah. Nice, beautiful. Check it out. Look at those mountains, man. The phone may not do no justice, but your eyes need to come see it for real, real time. I like this model. Got some fire from Big Onk, man. You know, he showed me the knife that Bruce Willis gave him. You know, Gorilla Halal, Gorilla Glue. I like this designing style. By the way, my uncle used to do all the, what do you call, media stuff in Hollywood and Hawaii. You know, driving and everything. 40 years ago. He showed me how much they took out in taxes. I was like, damn, people's payroll, that as much they take out taxes on him. But this little thing right here is beautiful, man. I like this old school style. Gothic looking, Carnegie Hall type, themed. You know, a Jim Carrey movie, that he did that was all surrounded about the movie theater. Kind of like that old school 50s vibe, you know what I'm saying? About to go ahead and spark this bad boy up. Gonna get me a little crush though, because this shit is so good, I ain't wasting shit. Very humble, man. You get everything you want, have everything you want as a millionaire, and still be grateful to keep everything precious. Keep everything precious, everything. You know, want to see how fat I got? you know, man, I had bricks, bro. Shit, that diet and the boxing and the screamer all helps. But once you pop that soda pop or that pizza and ice cream and indulge, man, the Islander takes over and wants to go ahead and blow up, which is all good, because then I got to retrain to drop it all and then make all the punches and strikes more efficient. Make everything a strong weapon, not just a tiki-tack, parring, and, you know, potential to break your finger type, make everything powerful. The idea is to do a little, incorporate a little Tai Chi, slow movements at that, almost millisecond movements. You know what I mean? And memory peg it big time. So that way, what? The body could make it more efficient in terms of like how you wanna move and coordinate and create combinations to where the efficiency is 100% no waste. You know what I'm saying? Big aloha, man. Last time I'm showing my stomach until I blow this bad boy back down into packs. Bam. Time to fire it up, though. Check it out. Kapuna movie warnings.